Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to set up MAC binding on your TP-Link router. First, you will need to access your router's web-based management interface. Open any web browser and type your router's IP address, commonly 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Then, log in using your administrator credentials, usually admin for both username and password. Once inside, locate the IP and MAC binding or ARP binding option, often found under Advanced or Security settings. Next, you need to find the MAC address for each device you wish to bind. On a Windows computer, open the command prompt and type ipconfig/all, then press Enter. Look for the physical address listed under your active network adapter. This is your device's unique MAC address. It will appear as a 12-character hexadecimal code. Make sure to accurately record both the MAC address and the corresponding IP address of the device, as you will need these for the next step. Now, let's configure the binding rules. In your router's IP and MAC binding section, ensure that the ARP binding feature is enabled. Then, click on Add New to create a new entry. Carefully input the MAC address you previously noted for your device. After that, enter the desired IP address that you want this specific device to always receive. It is crucial to check the bind option for each entry to activate the binding. Repeat this process for every device you wish to include. To finalize the process, save all your configuration changes within the router's interface. After saving, it is highly recommended to reboot your TP-Link router. This ensures that all the new MAC binding settings take full effect across your network. Implementing MAC binding offers significant benefits, including enhanced network security by preventing unauthorized devices from using specific IP addresses and ensuring that your critical devices consistently receive the same IP address, which is useful for port forwarding or network management.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.